Namaskar, India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing, and the highlight of the briefing is East India, mainly the West Bengal, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Bihar continue to experience heat wave conditions during next 5 days. And another highlight is today morning a cyclonic circulation has formed over the southeast Arabian Sea, and under its influence a low pressure area is likely to form over the same region during next 24 hours. And if we look for the observed weather during past 24 hours, then yesterday the hailstorm activity has been reported over the Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Telangana and Madhya Maharashtra. And yesterday heavy rainfall occurred at one or two places over the West Madhya Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Lakshadweep area and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And yesterday the heat wave conditions were prevailed over the some parts of the East Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal, which are shown in the yellow color. And yesterday a thunder squall has been reported over the Andaman Islands with the maximum wind of the 45 kmph. If we look into the today's main chief synoptic features, so today a western disturbance which lies over the northern parts of the Pakistan, another cyclonic circulation in lower levels lies over the southwest Rajasthan, another cyclonic circulation lies over the northeast Rajasthan, and over the East India a cyclonic circulation lies over the south Chhattisgarh, and a trough is also running from the Bihar up to the Telangana across Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha. Over the Bay of Bengal a cyclonic circulation is persisting mainly over the east central Bay of Bengal of Myanmar coast. So because of this the cloud cover can be seen over the most parts of the Bay of Bengal in this satellite pictures. Even some areas are receiving the light to moderate rainfall as of now. And over the southeast Arabian Sea today cyclonic circulation has formed. Under its influence a low pressure area is also likely to form. So because of the cyclonic circulation most of the cloud patches can be seen over the southeast Arabian Sea, and some areas is experiencing the moderate to intense convection over the South Arabian Sea. If we look for the this system, so when this system today morning, as we have seen today morning, a cyclone has been formed over the southeast Arabian Sea. Under its influence, a low pressure area will form during next 24 hours over the same region, and this system will move gradually northward, and it is also likely to intensify into a depression during subsequent 48 hours over the southeast Arabian Sea and adjoining east central Arabian Sea. So if we because of the formation of this system, most of the clouds have been more organized as compared to the yesterday, and even some clouds from the Kerala area and adjoining the southeast Arabian Sea area has been shifted towards this system. So similarly, if we consider for the monsoon, southwest monsoon, so as we have seen, some of the clouds has been shifted towards that cyclonic circulation, even though the cloud have been more organized. So this system as well as the onset of the southwest monsoon, we are continuously monitoring all the situations every day, and every day we are providing you a update for the onset of the southwest monsoon and for the development of the system over the Arabian Sea. And if you look for the weather warning because of the system over the Bay of Bengal and another cyclonic circulation over the Arabian Sea, so over the Arabian Sea, the squally weather with the wind speed 40 to 50 kmph very likely to prevail over the South Arabian Sea adjoining East Central Arabian Sea during next 5 days, as we can see in this grey color part over the Arabian Sea. However, on the 8th of June, the wind speed may increase up to the 50 to 60 kmph over the some parts of the East Central Arabian Sea, and over even on the 9th of June, wind speed will further increase, and wind speed can reach up to the 70 to 80 kmph over some parts of the Central Arabian Sea, which are shown in the blue color. So fishermen are advised not to venture into all those areas during next 5 days. Similarly, if you look for the Bay of Bengal area, so most parts of the South Bay of Bengal, and some parts of the East Central Bay of Bengal and Andaman Sea very likely to experience squally weather with the wind speed 45 to 55 kmph during next all the 5 days. However, on 8th of June and 9th of June, some parts of the Central Bay of Bengal will experience higher wind speed, which will be roughly 50 to 60 kmph, which are are shown in the green color. So fishermen are again advised not to venture into the South Bay of Bengal, East Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining Central Bay of Bengal during next 5 days. And if we look for the maximum temperature, then yesterday maximum temperature was 40 to 42 degrees centigrade over many parts of the East India, many parts of the Central India and some parts of the North Peninsular India. However, in the other parts of the country, maximum temperatures were below 42 degrees centigrade. And maximum temperatures very likely to rise by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade over most parts of the Northwest India during next 5 days. So again, a hot weather will likely to start over the Northwest India in the upcoming next 4 to 5 days. Over the East India, there will not be any significant change in the maximum temperatures till 7th of June, and since 8th of June onwards, maximum temperature will again rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over some parts of the East India and adjoining Central India. And over the Andhra Pradesh coast, Tamil Nadu coast and Maharashtra coast and Goa coast, because of the hot and humid weather, discomfort weather will continue during next 2 to 3 days. If we look for the weather warning for the upcoming 3 days, so because of the heat wave condition, as we have seen, we have given the orange color warning for the Bihar, mainly for the Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal and Jharkhand, which will continue during next 5 days. So we have given orange color warning for all those areas for all the next 5 days. Even the heat wave conditions will start over the Uttar Pradesh from 8th of June and will prevail during next till the 10th or 11th of June. And heat wave conditions will also prevail over some parts of the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh during next 5 days. However, we have given the yellow color warning. And as far as the heavy rainfall is concerned, because of the cyclonic circulation over the Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining North Andaman Sea, the Andaman Nicobar Islands very likely to experience heavy rainfall during next 3 days, that is on 5th of June, 6th of June and 7th of June. There will not be any significant weather over the most parts of the Northwest India, most parts of the Central India, West India as well as the East India also. However, from 7th of June, there will be a heavy rainfall spell mainly over the Kerala and over the coastal Karnataka and south interior Karnataka. So from 7th June onwards, heavy rainfall is very likely over the Kerala, coastal Karnataka and south interior Karnataka, and we have given the orange color warning for all those areas. And even Lakshadweep area is also likely to receive heavy rainfall on 7th June, 8th June and 9th June. Over the Northeast India, there will not be any significant weather, and even the Central India and Northwest India, as we can see in the green color means there is no weather warning. It means there is no severe weather in the upcoming 5 days. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page and our Twitter page. Thank you.